This is your cruise news update in under 2 minutes. A Royal Caribbean crew member on Icon of the Seas died Thursday evening after jumping overboard. This is the second person to go overboard on that same ship in the past 14 months. Here's the story. A 35-year-old man working on the Icon of the Seas got into some kind of dispute and altercation with another female co-worker on board. There aren't any real details as to what their relationship was, if any, prior to this altercation. But it resulted in him stabbing the female co-worker several times and then fleeing and jumping overboard. This happened at about 7 p.m. on Thursday. He jumped off the ship into the open seas. This was about 200 miles off the coast of Nassau in the Bahamas, in the Bahama Island chain. He was searched for. There was a rescue search initiated by the Icon staff, and they did recover his body about 30 minutes later, but he was pronounced dead on the scene. Fortunately for his stabbing victim, she was treated by the medical staff on board and is said to be in stable condition. The man who jumped overboard and who stabbed the other female co-worker was 35 years old. Not any other information has been released yet about him. And the stabbing victim was 28 years old. And again, she seems to be doing okay. What is going on here with Icon of the Seas? What do you think? Comment below and let us know.